the NHT has just announced the third intake of their St. Catherine Estates development located in Spanish Town. Now, if you want the full details on how to apply, what you need to apply, when to apply, stay tuned to this video and I'll jump into all those details. But before I do, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you guys who decided to watch this video today. I appreciate you guys so much for watching these videos and helping me to maintain my status of doing real estate and being a full-time YouTuber as well. Alright, but enough of the chattings. Me know I'm ready for the video. You ready? Run me intro. So like I mentioned in the intro, the NHT has come out with its brand new batch 3 of its Catherine Estate development. And if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that is probably about 4 different times the NHT has put out a set of units for this particular development. I think this is the third set in 2023, and that is why they're considering it batch 3. All right, so the application process will open on Tuesday, November 21 and run through to Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Bear in mind that the application process will open at 8 o'clock and will close at either 9 or midnight on November 2022 based on history. All right. If you want to know exactly how to apply and what you need to have ready when you're making your application, and by the way, you can only apply online, so you need to have all your documents scanned and uploaded to your computer. And I have a video that I'm going to link in the cards above. You can click on it, or it's going to be linked down the description box as well. That is a step-by-step video that walks you through how you can apply for an NHT house and all the things that you will need to have on hand, scanned and available on your computer to attach to the application when you're doing it on the day. Don't forget that the application process opens November 21 and ends November 2022. But enough of the chattings from me. Let's jump into some of the details of this Catherine Estate development. I also have a full property tour, as a matter of fact, multiple property tours of the studio unit and the 1-bedroom unit. All right, so you guys, I'll have those linked down the description box as well. Full tours and all the details. This is just an update video for you guys as it pertains to what they put out today. All right, so let me jump into it. So it says Catherine Estate intake batch 3 is located at Dunbeholin Road between Spanish Town and Portmore. Catherine Estate offers easy access to civic amenities in both urban centers. So they're speaking about the urban center of Spanish Town and the urban center of Portmore. The development features charming duplex studio and detached 1-bedroom units with open concept living, dining, kitchen, and a kitchen area. Social amenities that are close by includes the residents of the Catherine Estate. As the development has been building out, more and more persons have moved in, so you have the residents there. You have schools nearby, like the high school I went to, the Great St. Diego High School. You have Jonathan Grant that is even closer by. You have St. Catherine High that is in the vicinity as well. So schools are there. You have the Spanish Town Police Station. You have the Portmore Police Station. You have shopping centers, especially now that you have Price Mart. You have Starbucks. You have Fontana. You have Courts. You have Singer. You have so many different places in between. Some on the Spanish Town end, some on the Portmore end, and you'll be slapdash in the middle of both of those urban town centers. And you also have access to health facilities. A lot of health facilities are being built up in Portmore, especially a state-of-the-art hospital. And you have the Spanish Town Hospital that's there already for your convenience. So let's move into the units now. So they'll have 81 duplex studio units and 10 1-bedroom units, and the duplex studios have a unit size of 278 square feet and a lot size of 2,131 square feet minimum, right? the price range, right? And if memory serves me correctly, these properties were a bit cheaper when the last set came out in, I think, around June, but the starting price for a duplex studio right now is 7.55 million all the way up to 7.93 million. And based on the fact that this is an NHT development, they will be giving you full financing for this particular development should you get the opportunity to get one. And remember, the only way you can have an opportunity to get one is if you're an NHT contributor and you have amassed enough points based on their points based system to even have a chance to be selected to get one. But like I always say, don't even worry yourself, just apply. When I hear time, I hear time. No one can stop anything that is meant for you, but you have to put your best foot forward for you to get opportunities. So ensure that you guys watch the video that I'm going to link down in the description box below, that first video that will show you exactly how to apply and what you'll need to apply on the day and get your application in. All right, and then for the 10 one-bedroom units, the unit size will be 380 square feet, and the lot sizes will start at 3,358 square feet, and they will range from 8.31 million to 8.96 million dollars. All right, again, the price is up from the last set that they put out in June, but real estate is ever growing in Jamaica. The price of housing keeps on climbing and climbing and climbing. So this is expected with them doing their independent valuations of what a property in that general area is going for right now. All right, and the property comes with UPVC windows. I think Alcor is the one who the NHT buys all their windows from. So you should be getting Alcor windows, ceramic walls and floor tiles, aluminum, galvanized steel roof, solid surface countertops, and what is key, space for expansion. And I did see, I don't remember the name of the company, but a company came out after some uproar of them little bit, but the lot sizes are big. And if you have some level of imagination, like that company that I saw put out a video on Twitter to say, hey, if you get one of these one bedroom or one of these duplex studio units, we will build it out for you, and here's a design of, I don't remember if it's a 3 or 4 or 5 bedroom, but they did something so outlandish and spectacular with what was available. It was actually truly astonishing for me to see. But the NHT also has two different plans, I think, on how you can actually build out your Catherine Estate unit, dependent upon which you buy, whether you get one of the duplexes or you invest in one of the one bedrooms. All right, don't forget that the only way to apply is online, and you have to do so on November 21 through to November 22. Just keep that in mind. All right, but that is pretty much it for this particular video. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this update. If they have a open house, which they typically do, I'll try to go and so you guys can see what the new units look like in the new intake area or batch 3 that they have on offer, which I would believe is different than what they currently have on offer now. Just to see an update, it's going to be the same thing essentially, because they're using uniformity in that particular development, so everything will look alike. But just for your purposes and your viewing, if I hear that they're having an open house, I'll try to go and capture it for you guys. All right, but thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. AB signing out.